Alone diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. It's Salon Diva V in the place to be. In Walmart, checking out their new aisle. Yo, this aisle is dedicated to everything plants. And it is bigger and better than ever. Walmart has really stepped their game up, y'all. So right now, I'm looking at these starts right here. They got the potatoes, red potatoes, Irish potatoes, yellow potatoes. They have asparagus, strawberries, but the potatoes and the asparagus are $1.50, y'all. And the onions. I didn't grab the strawberries because they were regular price, but that's not the problem. I still have to do a little bit more research on strawberries, and I don't do very well with bare root strawberries. But I did grab my asparagus, my potatoes, and my onions. As you guys can see in my hand, got them ready. So y'all, this aisle, when I tell you this aisle, got everything. And when you go in the back section by the planters, y'all, they have some beautiful ceramic planters. So everybody who is in with cutesy, go check them planters out. Now right here is all of the preparation stuff, and I had to check out these grow cells right here. They are sturdy, but not as sturdy as I thought. It's a good foundation, but it's still kind of flimsy at the very bottom. But for a beginner, they can be good. And look at all the cute little things that they've came out with. These little decorations you can put on your windowsill. It's all plants, so you can create a whole little just let your imagination run wild is what I'm trying to say. But you can create a whole little, I don't know, section, a little arrangement or whatever with these little plant ideas right here. We got your bonsai and everything else. Put it on your windowsill and just get your cute on, girl. But yo, I was just excited to be in this aisle. Walmart is giving come grow your groceries. We have all the seeds in Walmart this year, y'all. Look at the rack. Look at the aisle. Look how big it is. Back to the roots, organic heirlooms, burpee, all of them. All of them. Look at the seeds, y'all. $1.96, $2.96. Just bargains, bargains, and more bargains. Seeds, seeds, and more seeds. Y'all see it? We got the heirlooms. We got the flowers. We got the vegetables. Y'all. And right here in this section, I grabbed me some coneflowers. Because why? Because they was on sale too. But they have the hyacinths, everything you could possibly think of. Walmart has it. So I'm hanging out today with my girl. She is Sunshine. Check her out on her Instagram page, where she will probably be sharing all her goodies and her finds also.
They have different types. It's not all Chicago party. There's like a Olympian party fish and the Violetta.
Oh yeah, Violet Debo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had one of them. Well, I still got one of them. All right, y'all. So we in. That part I don't know. So, Walmart, we have the rosemary, the Better Bush tomatoes. We have the strawberries, but I'm gonna check the and then we have the bigger strawberries, the bonnie plants. But I'm gonna check our garden centers here, the Houston garden centers, and see, because I'm pretty sure I can get the strawberries and the rosemary and tomatoes, actual planters, for $2 a piece. And then they have more of the grapes. Now, looking at these, I had to make sure that they grow in our area, which I went to Sam's earlier and I couldn't get a lot of the things because they don't do well in this area. And I'll show you guys what I got later. But that's another thing that you should be looking for when you are looking for your plants, to make sure that they grow well in your grow zone. I have a blackberry. I have a thornless blackberry that I got from Lowe's last fall. That was on clearance, so I'm good on blackberries. Did I get the raspberry? I didn't get the raspberry at Lowe's because it wasn't the right one for our grow zone. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys the garden center in Walmart in Wally World. Now I'm kind of tempted on these elderberries, y'all, but I need to do my research on those. And they have a different variety. They have the York, and then they have the Adams. They got the Olympian hardy figs, the Violetta de Bordeaux hardy figs. I have one of those at home. They have the Chicago hardy figs. They have the blueberries. There's something with a blueberry. It's a blue. I don't know if it's a Tiff blue, but it's something blue that does well in our zone. I just don't know which one. But I will show you guys. So I just want to let y'all know, Calvin from So Good Gardener channel have us out here at Sam's searching for plants. Garden center. So blame it on him, y'all.
Nah,
but we made a day out of it, so we had fun.
Stuff.
Okay, y'all. So looking at the tulips. So these are $197. But I bought a bag of these from Tractor Supply. They were on clearance, and I still haven't put them out. But look, you get 2 tulips so it's like $1 a piece. And you know, tulips, they come back year after year. If you take care of them right, they will. And then these, they have like, this is the hyacinth. It's a perennial. These are $197. They have like 4 sprouts in here, and some of them have more. And this is more. Oh, these are bigger hyacinths. Oh, look at that in there. Look at that in the inside. That's pretty. And they are $197. Oh, that purple. Oh, look how pretty that plant is, y'all. I'm tempted. Look how pretty this is. This is a daffodil. Y'all see those? I do want more flowers in my front garden bed. Oh, this is a grape hyacinth. That was the other one that we had. These are the same. Let's see what color. Oh yeah, same colors. Yeah, I do want more of the flowers in my garden bed, so checking that out this year, but balling on a budget. All right. All right, y'all, check out my new beat from none other than the Big Rooster Show himself. And make sure you tell him Salon Diva V sent you for that discount. All right, y'all, that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Salon Diva V, in the place to be. You know what it is. Peace.
planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this food so my future doesn't look gloom. Keeping it in the family, cause we gon' have to eat, you understand me. Avoiding pesticides, growing my own. Avoiding grocery stores and picking my foods right here at home. So learn to grow